Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to make posts public in Facebook. So let's get started. Well, to enable public post option in Facebook, we have to follow two steps. The first one, make the previous post public, and the second one, to make future posts for public. So let's start with future posts. Tap on the menu, then scroll down till you find Setting and Privacy. After that, choose Settings. Now scroll down again till you get to Audience and Visibility and choose Posts. A list of options will appear, so tap on Who can see your future posts. As you see here, only friends can see my posts. And to change it, tap on Try It Now. So write down, you can change it to public. And like that, your future post will appear to public. Now let's move to the second stage, or change your previous post to public. So simply go to your personal profile and choose the post you want to show it to public. If you see the symbol, it means that the post is hidden from everyone and you can only see it. While this one, it means that only your friends can see it. Whereas this symbol means for public. Anyways, to change it, tap on these three dots and choose Edit Privacy and change it to public. And importantly, you can change all of your posts to public by one click, and you can change each one alone. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.